Wiener, but I ain't finished putting these hoes through the ringer. The clothes in between the two rollers. A weight low, what I mean is clothes in the woven. I treat them like thread. That's how I love sewing machine. So fucks if you don't give them either time to ride or die. Cause you're either both or you need to throw middle finger up if you're rolling. But man, I'm gonna ride till I die. Give a fuck if you bitches die. Put a motherfucking hole in your face. Back up, bitch, don't even try. I am that motherfucker pinnacle. That's why you on that no one's overdose. The one dope is. Hip hop shit sell better than the coke did.